Hello and welcome to TMG, the Mind Gym. In the last video, we have discussed what is an electric vehicle and its major components. If you have not watched it yet, click this I button or I'll be providing the link in the description. Do check it out. So in this video, we will see what electric vehicles are capable of or the properties of electric vehicles. So let's get started. As with any other purchase you make, there are going to be both advantages and disadvantages of electric vehicles, which I feel everybody must know because electric vehicles are going to be a part of our lives in the future. We will discuss a few things which you can consider to determine whether electric vehicles are right and how it would affect you. Let's start with environment. Probably the main reason why electric vehicles have come into the picture. Electric vehicles produce zero emissions and are good for the environment. But all this has no meaning if we use power from a grid or basically the power from a thermal power plant to power the battery. So, electric vehicles are eco-friendly and really useful for the environment if we use power from a renewable energy source only. Performance. The performance of an electric vehicle is superior than that of our IC engine vehicles. Higher torque, higher RPM and a higher vehicle speed can be achieved in the electric vehicles. High torque from the moment your leg hits the pedal. It has a constant power output whereas IC engines have a fluctuating power output as the RPM of the electric motor can be controlled more easily. Electric vehicles can also employ regenerative braking. Now let's come to safety. In a sense, electric vehicles are safe as in an electric vehicle the batteries are stored below and naturally the center of gravity of the vehicle is closer to the ground, which in turn reduces the possibilities of the vehicle to roll. But any damage to the battery may result in an explosion or fire instantly. We will be looking at other safety concerns as and when it comes. Charging and discharging. The range of an electric vehicle is about 400 to 500 kilometers, that's in a fully charged vehicle. The charging time, self-discharge and lifetime, that's the battery life of a battery, makes it a compulsory investment over a period of time. The feeling of charging your electric vehicles is no less than charging your mobile phones. An average time taken to charge an electric vehicle is around 6 to 10 hours. Though this recharge time is reducing day by day due to technological advancements, I doubt the time taken to charge an electric vehicle is going to come down as low as the time is taken to refuel your conventional IC engine vehicles. The absence of widespread charging stations all across the country adds to the impracticality of electric vehicles for long distance travel. A proper investment in infrastructure capable of providing uninterrupted and efficient charging stations to the electric vehicles is a mandatory prerequisite for the success of electric vehicles. The electric vehicles are quiet as the number of moving parts in an electric vehicle is low. Driving an electric vehicle is no less than playing a video game. Although a quiet and a comfortable drive adds to the premiumness and the comfort experience of a vehicle, the driver needs to be more skilled in order to control his sleep while driving. Driving an electric vehicle is easy as there are no clutch and gear mechanisms which the driver needs to operate. But again, as electric vehicles have high and instant torque, the driver needs to be skilled enough to handle the high power output of the vehicle. Cost. The cost of an electric vehicle is decreasing day by day, mainly due to technological advancements. The maintenance of an electric vehicle is low, but one needs to replace the batteries over a period of time, which become a necessary investment for the long run. The overall health of an electric vehicle largely depends on the type and how it is used. Users even get tax credits depending on the type of the vehicle and the place where they live. So, ignoring the concerns of range, recharge, and the essence of driving, electric vehicles are superior than their petrol or diesel counterparts. So this was a video on electric vehicles. For those of you who have made it till here, you might have noticed this star mark throughout the video. This star mark represents potential entrepreneurial opportunities in the field of electric vehicles, which if cracked is sure to bring success in the field of automobiles. So go ahead, share this video and subscribe to the Mind Gym. And until then, stay tuned. I am Vallabh. Thanks for watching.